Welcome back again to a new video from AI Tech Reviews. Let's dive into the Realme 8i smartphone, a budget contender that aims to strike a balance between features and affordability. Here's what you need to know. The Realme 8i doesn't break any design boundaries. It shares a familiar look with other phones in the Realme 8 series, but hey, no dare to leap slogan on the back cover this time, a small win. The color options like Galaxy Black and Space Purple are decent but not jaw-dropping. The phone feels substantial in hand, and its large, fluid display catches the eye. Speaking of the display, it's a 6.6 inches LCD panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 600 nits of brightness, which is impressive for a budget device. When this phone released in 2021, this feature usually was reserved for premium phones. The display colors are accurate and scrolling feels buttery smooth. Kudos to Realme for this one. The plastic frame is sturdy but prone to scratches. If you're looking for a fashion statement, you might want to explore other options. The right side of the phone shows a power button fingerprint reader, which I consider myself to be a great option, and now that we talk about a security aspect, we can lock our phone PIN code, password, and also face unlock. In the left side, we have the volume keys and SIM card tray, nothing in the top. In the bottom, we have access to our 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, USB 2.0 port with OTG capabilities, and our loudspeaker. The 50-megapixel main camera delivers competent and decent results. It's not lightning fast, but it gets the job done. Low light shots surprisingly hold up well. Unfortunately, there's no ultra-wide camera, which is a missed opportunity. Selfies from the front camera are decent but not groundbreaking. The front camera uses a 16-megapixel sensor. This smartphone includes 4 cameras, including a 2-megapixels camera for depth and another one for macro shots. The 5000 mAh battery is a star feature. It easily lasts 2 days with moderate usage, no more battery anxiety. However, the 18W charging speed feels sluggish. Patience is key here. And even with the plastic back, this phone doesn't support wireless charging. Connectivity. Brace yourself, there's no 5G support. If 5G is crucial for you, consider other options. On the bright side, the phone offers dual SIM and micro slots. Let's remember this phone comes in different variants, including a 128GB plus 6GB of RAM version. This version is the 128GB plus 4GB of RAM variant with NFC support for mobile payments. The Realme 8i is a solid budget phone. Its strengths lie in the display, battery life, and dependable camera. However, the lack of 5G and slow charging might be deal breakers for some now in 2024. Some phone carriers charge for 5G even if you don't use it, so you better have it. If you can live without 5G and prioritize other features, the Realme 8i is worth considering. This is a phone with 2021 which supports Android 13 and Realme UI 4.0. I have been using it for 3 years straight, and it still is a great choice. Otherwise, explore your options in this competitive segment. Search brands like Xiaomi, Realme, Vivo, or Oppo. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video if you think it can be useful to others, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Until the next one.